हाय स्टूडेंट्स, मैं गुनेश्वर कुलिता आपको मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल गुनेश्वर कुलिता ट्यूटोरियल पे स्वागत करता हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, सबसे पहले मैं आपको मेरे वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा। फिर वीडियो देखने के बाद आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो लाइक करने के लिए मैं कहूँगा। फिर उनके बाद शेयर करने के लिए भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा। Students, today I am going to discuss English grammar synonyms part 1. Students, what is synonym? मतलब synonym क्या है? Words that have the same or nearly the same meaning as any given word are called synonyms. मतलब जो शब्द है उनका सेम मीनिंग है और लगभग सेम मीनिंग है। सेम मीनिंग और लगभग सेम मीनिंग वाला जो शब्द है उसको सिनोनिम्स मतलब पर्यायवाची शब्द कहा जाता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, अभी मैं कुछ वर्ड्स और उनका सिनोनिम्स दे रहा। सो लेट मी स्टार्ट। एबल, कैपेबल और complement, about, almost, nearly, aid, help, assistance, abstain, refrain, abound, full, plentiful, admit, confess, enter, about, house, home, allow, permit, amazement, astonishment, surprise, amusement, recreation, entertainment, anger, fury, ancient, all, worn out, attendance, presence, angry, mad, answer, reply, report, abrupt, sudden, absolutely, totally, abolish, eradicate or exterminate, adulterate, degrade or spoil, elegance, fidelity, loyalty, ample, enough, plentiful, anguish, suffering, sorrow. Next students, assume, guess, attempt, try, endeavor, attribute, impute, authentic, genuine, real, avenge, revenge or vengeance, aware, conscious, apt, suitable, fitting, bad, evil, mischievous, barren, infertile, sterile, beat, strike, begin, commence, start, bestow, endow, bizarre, strange, peculiar, blame, accuse, bliss, happiness, blunder, error, mistake, bring, fetch, brave, courageous, valiant, brief, short, concise, build, construct, buffoon, clown, comedian, candid, frank, open, correct, accurate, exact, confirm, adjust, reconcile, keys, stop, discontinue, cheat, deceive, cruel, brutal, savage. Next students, create, make, creative, inventive, crime, vice, sin, common, mutual, reciprocal, compulsion, obligation, conquer, subdue, vanquish, custom, habit, compare, contrast, command, order, direction, compel, force, couple, pair, competition, rivalry, comprehend, realize, understand, conceit, haughtiness, insolence, confuse, perplex, puzzle, contrary, opposite, reverse, courteous, polite, gentle, chaos, disorder, confusion, colossal, huge, immense, counsel, advice, guidance, counterfeit, fake, imitation, calm, quit, coarse, rough, clever, smart, conceal, hide, carefree, light-hearted, combat, battle, fight. Next students, damage, loss, danger, peril, declare, express, announce, decrease, reduce, decline, refuse or deny, delighted, glad, satisfied, delusion, illusion, detrimental, injurious, harmful, decorate, embellish, different, various, diverse, difficult, challenging, discover, invent, disgrace, dishonor, depart, leave, distress, grief, sadness, distinction, difference, dissimilarity, doctor, physician, deadlock, stalemate, stand off, deceit, 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 fraud, sitting, doom, ruin, downfall, drink, gulp, drunk, intoxicated, enemy, foe, enough, sufficient, endure, bear, suffer, energy, force, vigor, envy, jealously, enchanting, charming, delightful, enthusiasm, eagerness, zeal, efficient, able, competent, empty, vacant, void, imminent, outstanding, equal, uniform, eternal, timeless, infinite, event, incident, occurrence, expect, desire, hope, excess, surplus, exquisite, beautiful, lovely, false, untrue, factual, true, fad, craze, fall, autumn, descent, famous, renowned, celebrated, feeble, weak, infirm, ferocious, savage, fierce, faithful, loyal, fight and argue, force, compel, foolish, stupid, silly, forgive, pardon, flourish, thrive, frank, candid, open, freedom, liberty, familiarity, familiar, acquired, intimate, foresee, anticipate, fury, rage, anger, fuss, chaos, confusion, gaiety, happiness, joy, gallant, brave, bold, glow, shine, grandiose, ambitious, pompous, grand, magnificent, general, common, universal, gentle, meek, mild, tender, guard, defend, protect, hasty, fast, prompt. स्टूडेंट कोई एक लिखने से होगा haughty, proud, arrogant, havoc, destruction, damage, handsome, good looking, happy, lucky, fortunate, hear, listen, hark, help, aid, hideous, ugly, repulsive, headaches, hinder, prevent, obstruct, holy, sacred, hoard, store, stockpile, havocs, joke, zest, honor, prestige, hostile, antagonistic, opposed, hunger, starvation, humble, meek, if, whether, immediate, instant, impartial, neutral, impolite, rude, immaculate, clean, spotless, impede, hinder, obstruct, immense, vast, big, importable, unlikely, uncertain, involve, entangle, implicate, include, comprise, insane, mad, crazy, invade, attack or assault, inferior, middle, intercept, illegal, unlawful, illegible, unreadable, informal, casual, innocent, harmless, instructions, directions, ignominy, shame और dishonor. स्टूडेंट्स आज के लिए इतना ही है, बाकी नेक्स्ट क्लास में दे दूंगा. धन्यवाद.